I have explained you earlier with an example of what is a dimension and what is a measure. So when we were talking about star schema and this concept, you saw that we have the only the code stored in the transaction table, but the name and the description of the company is stored inside another table. This is called dimension data. So what happens when you build analytics? This description you see, this description is coming from this dimension data table. It's like a database table, or it's a separate table which stores the master data, including, let's say, the customer ID, description, and stuff like that. So that is what exactly Analytics Cloud is asking you to generate this dimension table. So, so that you can maintain descriptions, and later on when you do analytics, instead of the code, system can show description to the users. That is why we maintain this dimension table. We can additionally maintain more data, like for example, geo enrichment in this case. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you that in our existing model. So this is our country. Yes. So all the latitude and longitude will be maintained for country. Yeah. That's what we are going to do. So I'm going to go back first of all and click on add property, and I will say add from the source. And now I will choose latitude over here. And what exactly this latitude column is all about. The functional meaning of that is written in the type. So here when you choose latitude, you see these are the types Analytics Cloud understand: integer, decimal, description, parent-child hierarchy, currency, unit, latitude, longitude, country, region, sub-region. So I will choose here latitude. So what Analytics Cloud now does, it will understand, oh my God, Anubhav have a latitude column in the database table, in the data model. And this is actually functionally a latitude or a part of the coordinate. Yeah. This mapping is important, so Analytics Cloud can understand that. When I click next button, immediately system asks me to convert this data into a dimension table. So either I click this button to convert it to a dimension table, or I just add a property description, automatically system converts it to a dimension table where it will maintain all the data. For example, in the same example, here it is maintaining, now going to maintain additional properties like what is the geolocation of this company. That is what Analytics Cloud is going to do. So here it will put LAT column, which is of type latitude. So this is my column name in the table in the data set, but this is actually of type latitude, which is the functional meaning of this property. And then it'll maintain, let's say, 49.33 minus 13.69. So all these latitudes it is going to maintain. So it will understand, especially it's a coordinate data. So this is the part how latitude. But now hold on. If your data set have issues, data issues, validation issues, then this conversion to dimension table will fail. Now let me show you. I'll also add longitude column. This is my column name. You see column name is longitude. If this column name would have been Spider-Man, I would choose here Spider-Man. Now what is it of type? It's of type longitude. Click OK. You see now latitude and longitude are added as part of this country because they represent a country. Functionally speaking, a latitude longitude is for a country, not for sales organization, not for sales agent, right? We are not tracking here location, Google map location of sales agent. We are tracking here country, right? So I click OK and it will fail. Why it will fail? Because of data validation issue. In the country data, we have a problem. You see, it failed actually, and it doesn't give a satisfactory answer. Error occurred while loading member of dimension. That's it. It will only tell this much. Yes, it will only tell this much. Now you have to cancel this and come here to validation error. So multiple properties have issues. This is just a warning. Again, this is for customer, not relevant for the country. But actually now we have no clue. So I went back to the view. I opened the transform data option. And now I look at the dirty data in SAC. Yes, for the country, for the country. So let me go back, go to the country field. This is where it is. And now in this, there are a lot of datas which contain brackets. You see this data bracket, Burma. So I do transformation, replace the value, remove the bracket wala part, just keep Myanmar, or you can put a space Burma, because this bracket you see na, that is not no more supported by SAC in the new model. In the classic model it used to work. In the new model somehow it is not working. Scroll down, you will see there are many countries like that which contains such a bracket. So you see here this Falkland Islands. So let's replace, and I just keep the original country name. So it's the bracket which is the problem. Enter, done. Okay, let's come down. You see firearm. What are these countries? Never heard of these countries. Macedonia. Okay, maybe a small country somewhere. All right. So Madagascar. Let's come down. See wherever there are bracketed data. So now you see this. This is special characters, but I think this is supported. Only the bracket it has the problems. Yeah. So let's come down. This is how I would fix the problem, and there you go. Congo. So let's replace Congos with Congos. Comoros. It's Comoros, not Congo. Okay, come down. Do you have more data with brackets? Please tell me. Do you have it? Come down. Let's explore. So any dirty data, the behind the scene HANA database will not support it. Maybe in the future they support it. Maybe they will give proper message to us, at least in the future. But till now, what I found out, they are not giving proper message and developer has no clue what is going on. Okay, I'm happy. I believe I fixed it. Let's save this and let's try to again give an attempt to make Geo Enrichment once more, yeah, for the country. Done. Let's save the transformation and go back and let's give an attempt again. Can you imagine how would have I figured out these problems? Not easy, guys. I have to crawl through the data. Because I have extensively worked on HANA database, I know the rules of HANA database. That was kind of helping me to, to overcome this problem. Yes. So that was the only reason I was able to crack it. Okay, so let's try again, add again, latitude column. Okay, click on add longitude column, click on OK, and just try OK now. So now again there is a problem with the some data which is okay, which it was also giving earlier because it didn't save last time. Duplicate countries with the multiple latitude longitudes, and now let's try again. So there you go. Wow, go. You made it. There you go. Your latitude, longitude columns got attached to the country. This got converted to a dimension table. Let me show you the dimension table, guys. I will go back. First, let me save it before I lose anything. It's always better to save it. So modeling is a very critical part of your data design, data modeling or planning. It is a very critical topic, guys. So please make sure that you always follow a good modeling practice. It spends a lot of time, and there you go. You can see you got latitude, longitude with this symbol of the map. Fair enough. Let's come back. That's my country data. Now, next step is we are good. Let's also look at if you want to create parent-child hierarchy, you can also do that. There are a lot of things you can do, but now it works. I go back. Let's go to model and quickly pick up our data model sales data, and we should be able to now make geo enrichment with this new data model. There you go. I need to add a geo map. Sorry. Let's add a geo map to showcase that, and we are going to add a layer, location, country. There you go. You see country geo point, it has come. Wow, look at that, look at that. Yes, so this is how exactly we can get our map created